The work that we do with the young people is supported by many state agencies, by grants and opportunities for which we apply, and by the Erasmus Plus programme and the European Solidarity Corps programme. This is important because it allows us to work for free with young people. Otherwise, they may not have an opportunity to engage in cultural activity like this or to benefit through cultural activity in understanding and developing their own human person.
Hi, my name is Ozan Shine. I'm the coordinator of our HSC-funded project, Drama for Positive Mental Health. As part of our project, we aimed to provide free drama workshops to young people in local schools, in our center, and in youth clubs. And this project was a continuation of our previous year's project, The Adultos. As per the feedback that we got in the Adultos project, we saw that many young people benefited from our project by recovering from the negative impact of the pandemic. We saw that young people struggled a lot during the pandemic, and when they came back to the normal life, they found it very difficult to interact with each other. So our project aimed to provide some activities, creative activities, where the young people can socialize, interact, and discuss, and perhaps share their own personal issues to create a piece of performance. We put the continuation project, which is Drama for Positive Mental Health. We got the similar feedback in this project too. We reached more young people this time, and we believe that in future we will reach more young people, because we see that many young people are looking for a place to come and interact and recover from the negative impact of the pandemic. And we appreciate the support that we got from the HSC. It's really important so that we are able to, we can run this project and we can reach more young people through their support. Thank you so much.
I tend to be very shy, especially in school. So it's just working with loads of different people, and it's very fun, and it just helps me with that a lot.
It's fun, yeah, I do really enjoy it. I think if I've had a stressful day at school or something, I can come to Crooked House and I could just forget about it.
I find it enjoyable. I like when we do the different things where we move around, because it's like you get to talk to everyone but in acting, and I think the devising's really fun because I enjoy acting, and I think doing the improv really helps with thinking of things on the spot, and it's good.
I just feel like I'm like in the moment more, because say I had like a bad day at school or something, and I'd go there and it would kind of all like go away, like I'd forget about it, and there I'd kind of feel like it would just feel so much better.
Hi, I'm Lorraine Healy. I'm an English history and CSPE teacher here in Patrician Secondary School in Newbridge. I think with regard to students who have come out of COVID, who maybe were impacted in terms of their relationships with their peers, their communication skills, their interpersonal skills, maybe their own self-esteem and confidence with regard to communications, I think drama has been invaluable. I have to say they definitely look forward to drama every week.
My name is Helen Dohoney, and I'm a Spanish and English teacher here in Holy Family Secondary School in Newbridge. Crooked House have been coming to my TY English class since the beginning of the year in September, and they come once a week for one class. From my observation, the girls have improved a lot in their confidence in the class and the way they engage in the activities that they do in class. It allows them to explore different sides of themselves. So for their mental health and for their confidence, it really allows them to examine different aspects of their personality and their and pushes them out of their comfort zone. And I suppose what that does for them mostly is takes them out of themselves. They have to, I think it's a very positive experience for them as teenagers. It takes them out of their self-consciousness.
It's like a a guaranteed safe space for 2 hours every week that a young person can rely on and know that it's always going to be there for them. And to know that you can leave your troubles at the door and just go in and be able to communicate with each other and to be able to partake in it to the extent that you feel comfortable with and slowly build your confidence.
It's a good space to come, because like you can mix, you can be yourself here, you're accepted here, you don't have to pretend to be anyone else.
Being a teenager can be very stressful. We're dealing with a lot in our like day-to-day lives that do impact our mental health, whether it be like exams, like stressful relationship or school, it could be whatever. There's a lot in the mind of a teenager. And so I think that becomes very overwhelming.
It really helped me in school, like being able to like socialize more, being able to talk in front of the class, and like, I don't know, it really showed me a different side of myself that never really existed.
As teenagers, we go to school 5 days a week. We come home from school, we do homework. It's like a whole different reality to what we're used to. Like, it's a break from the monotony of every week. Even though we go there every week, new people come all the time. There's new activities, there's new devisings, new topics.
Having a space where you can discover yourself and completely embrace who you are and who you want to be.
It presents a space where like you can release all that energy, whether it be negative or positive, and just like be free and open yourself back up. Really. And everybody else who comes also does the same and opens themselves up, and it creates such an environment that it heals you of the troubles of the week before and gives you the strength for the next one.